Deep in the forests of Sri Lanka's central and southern highlands, a mysterious bird roams, known locally as the Ulama, or the devil bird. Scientifically called Bubo Nipalensis, it is famous for its eerie, spine-chilling human-like cry that locals say foretells death.
Listen closely. This is the legendary cry of the Ulama, captured here in the wild, echoing through Sri Lanka's misty forests.
Curious for more? The Ulama plays a key role in a thrilling short story in my book, a collection of eerie and mystical tales inspired by Sri Lankan folklore. Dive into the adventure and discover more strange creatures, legends, and magical moments.